Hi there. For today's Ninja Art tip, I would like to chat to you about shading using graphite. And this is a really different way of doing shading that you might not quite expect. So take a look at what I'm working on here. So I've got the previous art tip is there with the baby elephant. I have no idea how that came off the paper, but let's have a look at a different way of doing shading. So I've got this graphite pencil and it's solid graphite. There's no wood in the pencil. You can see it's solid graphite all the way through there, and then it's just the black paint around the outside edge there. So in our Learn to Draw classes, we talk about drawing with spines and circles. So if we wanted to draw something like, let's say we wanted to draw a pear, I'll just give you one example. So drawing a pear, anything living really, you can use this method. So if we draw the spine of the pear that runs right down through the middle of it first, and then we draw some circles. So step one is the spine, step two is the circles, which is kind of a bit like the skeleton or the bones of the thing, followed by the muscles, so the mass of the biggest parts of the object. So we'll do a couple of overlapping circles to make this pear. I'm drawing very lightly to start with. And so now we've got the bones and the muscle. Excuse me. And now what we do is we stretch the skin over the top. So this is a really easy way to draw and making sure that your drawing looks right and symmetrical and everything. So now I'm just drawing the pencil. I'm stretching the skin over the muscles, but not completely tight. It's just stretched across the object. So we do this exercise in our Learn to Draw class. It's heaps of fun. So we stretch the skin over the muscles. Not that pears have muscles, but if we were drawing animals or people, then that's what we'd be looking at. It's kind of like the way of the old masters, you know, drawing the skeleton part first, the spine that runs through the pear, the largest mass of the object that you're drawing, and then stretching the skin over the outline. So that's a great way to get an object drawn really easily by first drawing with spines, then drawing with the circles to get the major parts of the mass, or it might be different shapes, and then stretching the skin over the top. So if you'd like to see any more tips, free tutorials, have a look at the dojo at zenartart.com, and please like, share, comment, interact somehow with the video so that Facebook shares it with other people. Thanks for watching.